Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to update National Bank of Canada mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store. Then, at the bottom right corner, you will see searching icon. Simply tap on it. From here, on the searching bar, search for National Bank of Canada. Find the app labeled with NBC mobile application and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs update. Simply tap on the update button to update your application to the latest version. In my case, as you can see, there is open button since I am using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update National Bank of Canada mobile banking application on your device. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.